If you want to create content that actually attracts traffic and converts, you need to understand what your audience is searching for. Answer the Public makes that process easier by showing real search queries. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Answer the Public for content marketing step by step. First, open Answer the Public and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll be able to start researching content ideas based on real search data. Next, type a broad topic related to your niche or business. This could be your product, service, or industry keyword. The goal is to discover what your audience is curious about. Click Search and let the tool generate results. Answer the Public organizes search queries into questions, comparisons, and related topics, giving you a full picture of audience interest. One of the most powerful sections is the questions category. Here you'll find real questions people are asking online. These can be turned into blog posts, videos, social media content, or email topics. As you review keywords, focus on intent. Ask yourself what the user wants: information, comparison, or a solution. This helps you create content that actually matches their needs. Next, explore related searches and comparisons. These sections help you expand your content strategy and find supporting topics for your main content pillars. Now group your ideas into content clusters. For example, one main topic can have multiple supporting articles, videos, or posts around it. Now turn your keyword insights into a full content marketing plan. Use them for blog posts, SEO articles, YouTube videos, and social media content that targets real search demand. Finally, keep repeating the process. Regular keyword research helps you discover new opportunities and keep your content strategy aligned with what people are actually searching for. And that's how to use Answer the Public for content marketing. Yeah, when you base your content on real search behavior, you can grow faster, attract better traffic, and build stronger engagement. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your content strategy.